In today's video I'm going to show you how to use vertical trim to adjust bounding box of your text, allowing for more precise element. When you select text in Figma, you will notice box around it. This bounding box often extends above and below actual characters in your text. When aligning other element, such as rectangle, they will snap to the bottom or to the top of this bounding box. To resolve this, you can adjust vertical trim to better match height of your text, aligning to cap height, the top of capital letter, and baseline to the bottom where letters rest. Click on text you want to modify. In the right hand design panel under text or type settings, look for vertical trim option. By turning on or adjusting vertical trim, Figma will trim bounding box down to cap height and baseline of your text. Once vertical trim is applied, your bounding box will shrink to fit actual height of text. Now you can move element and they will snap precisely to the top or bottom of your text, rather than extend bounding box. This feature is precisely helpful for aligning text perfectly with other design elements. It also ensures that when you're designing, bounding box match visible text more closely, creating cleaner layouts and more precise spacing.